Closing in on elimination. On February 29, New Zealand had one active case of Covid-19. Today, exactly 3 months on, there is now only one active case of Covid-19, with no new cases reported for a 7th day in a row. To paint a quirky picture, according to John Hopkins University, that puts us on a par with Turks and Caicos and New Caledonia, and ahead of islands like Fiji, which still has 3 active cases, the Bahamas, Bermuda, Guam, Hawaii, Mauritius, the Maldives and the Cayman Islands. The Health Ministry says 7 more people have recovered and the total of confirmed and probable cases remains at 1,504. It comes as the limit on social gatherings increased to 100 people at midday today, making New Zealand one of the most relaxed regimes and the most open economies in the world right now, ahead of Australia, Canada, the UK and the US. Finance Minister Grant Robertson says a full week without any new cases shows what an incredible job New Zealanders have done in fighting the virus.
I do think it's really important that we acknowledge the success that we have had. That is a result of the work that we've done. It's a result of being careful. It's a result of being measured in the movements that we make. And I think New Zealanders can now say, as we look at a situation going into Queen's birthday weekend, it will feel very normal for a lot of people. They'll be going on holiday, they'll be going out and seeing their friends or their children play sport.
However, despite these positive signs, Mr Robertson says Cabinet will be sticking to the plan of reviewing the Alert Level 2 settings on June 8 and not earlier.
Cabinet constantly monitors the situation, but the 8th of June is the date that we've given ourselves and those who advise us to come up with their latest evidence. But I'm sure Cabinet will have a conversation on Tuesday about Covid-19. We do at every meeting, but we've clearly signalled that that's the date that we'll review the settings on, and the Prime Minister was very clear when she spoke that it would be no later than the 22nd. What I know that New Zealanders are looking for from us is to make sure that we take our decisions based on evidence and we keep moving forward in the right direction. And I think it was the Deputy Prime Minister himself in Parliament yesterday who noted the fact that the worst thing of all for New Zealand would be to go backwards again. We've made such incredible progress here. I absolutely get and endorse, in fact, people's enthusiasm to keep moving forward. We'll do that based on evidence, and our economy is now more open than most other countries in the world.
Finance Minister Grant Robertson speaking at a press conference this afternoon.